Are you tired of dealing with the complexities of managing your Linux server and application installations? Look no further. Welcome to CodeInsidePro, your one-stop solution for all your remote server management needs. At CodeInsidePro, we specialize in providing top-notch managed Linux server services, ensuring that your systems run smoothly and efficiently. Our team of experts is dedicated to taking care of all the technical aspects, so you can focus on what you do best: growing your business. With our extensive knowledge and experience, we guarantee seamless application installations and maintenance. Whether you need to set up a new server or optimize your existing infrastructure, we've got you covered. Our skilled Linux system admin will handle everything remotely, saving you time, effort, and unnecessary headaches. Why waste valuable resources on hiring in-house IT staff when you can rely on our professional services? We offer flexible packages tailored to your specific requirements, ensuring that you only pay for what you need. Our cost-effective solutions are designed to maximize your productivity while minimizing your expenses. When you choose CodeInsidePro, you're not just hiring a service provider, you're gaining a trusted partner. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer support, always ready to assist you with any queries or concerns. Our team is available round the clock, ensuring that your systems are up and running smoothly, no matter the time or day. So, why wait? Take the first step towards hassle-free server management and application installations. Join the CodeInsidePro family today and experience the peace of mind that comes with having experts handle your technical needs. Don't let technology hold you back. Let us unlock your full potential. Hire CodeInsidePro now. https://t.me/CodeInsidePro